Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to keep your BMW engine running smoothly for decades. With proper maintenance, care, and attention, your BMW can provide you with years of reliable performance and driving pleasure. Regular maintenance, oil changes. Regular oil changes are essential for engine longevity. Use high-quality synthetic oil and change it every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Fluid checks. Check your engine fluids regularly, including coolant, transmission fluid, and brake fluid. Top off as needed and address any leaks promptly. Air filter maintenance. Replace your air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles to ensure optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. Spark plug replacement. Replace your spark plugs every 30,000 to 60,000 miles to maintain proper engine combustion and performance. Driving habits. Avoid extreme temperatures. Avoid driving in extreme temperatures such as very hot or very cold conditions, which can put additional stress on your engine. Avoid rapid acceleration. Avoid rapid acceleration and deceleration, which can cause wear and tear on your engine and transmission. Drive regularly. Drive your BMW regularly to keep the engine and other components lubricated and in good working condition. Use high-quality fuel that meets BMW's specifications to ensure optimal engine performance and longevity. Keep an eye on your engine's performance and address any issues promptly. Don't ignore warning lights or unusual noises. Regularly wash and wax your BMW to protect the exterior and interior from damage. Consider having your engine valves cleaned every 50,000 to 100,000 miles to maintain optimal engine performance. Also, think about having your engine's carbon buildup cleaned within the same mileage range to keep everything running smoothly. By following these tips and maintaining your BMW regularly, you can help ensure that your engine runs smoothly for decades. Remember to drive responsibly, monitor engine performance, and address any issues promptly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more BMW-related content. Subscribe, like, and share for more BMW content.